Have you ever wondered how your phone knows what you want to type, or how Netflix just knows what movie you will love to watch next? That is not a magic. It is not. It is artificial intelligence that is behind it, and it is changing the world every time, every day. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video. In this video, I will break down what AI really is. Even if you know about tech or you are new to tech, whether you are a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, content creator, CEO, or you are a professional, but you want to take advantage of artificial intelligence to make money or to build your personal brand or to improve on your self-development, then you are in the right place. This video will help you to understand the world of artificial intelligence, how it works, whether it is used, where it is used, and how you can start using it to your own advantage today. And if you want to use it to level up your life and your work, you can also use it for your advantage to level up your own life or your own work. Alright, let us get into it. But before I give the definition of what AI is and the impacts of AI, let's take a journey back to history about the birth and existence of AI and how it all began. Alright, so from the origins, AI was once just a dream. The idea of machines that could think like human beings isn't a new thing. It dates back centuries. So now, in ancient Greece, philosophers like Aristotle explored logic and reasoning, laying the foundation for what AI would later become. Also, in the 19th century, 19th century, mathematician called Ada Lovelace, her name is Ada Lovelace, envisioned machines that could process information like the human brain. Also, by the 1950s, scientists started turning this dream into reality. The real breakthrough came in 1956 here at a conference at Dartmouth College, where researchers officially coined the term artificial intelligence AI. This marked the birth of AI as a scientific field. All right, now early AI, the first steps toward intelligence, that was in the 1950s to 1970s. AI was still in its infancy, yeah, but scientists made it big, scientists made big leaps. So in between 1956 to 1960s, early AI programs to solve mathematical problems and play chess. So moving further, in 1966, Eliza, one of the first chatbots, was created. It could hold simple conversation. Then in the 1970s, AI research faced setbacks because computers weren't powerful enough yet. Of course, AI had potential, but it wasn't ready for the real world. So now, the rise of machine learning and neural networks came in the 1980s to 2000s. As computers became more powerful, AI started evolving. Yeah, that's when AI started evolving. So in the year 1980s, machine learning (ML) emerged. AI could now learn from data instead of following strict rules. Then in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated the world chess companion Gary Kasparov, proving AI could outthink humans in specific tasks. Then in 2000s, AI-powered assistants like Apple Siri in 2011 and Google's AI-driven search algorithms became the mainstream. AI was no longer just for scientists; it was entering our daily lives, of course. So now the AI boom from 2010 to today, that was when the biggest AI breakthroughs came alive. In the last decades, starting from the year 2012, deep learning revolutionized AI, making it smarter than ever. Then fast forward to 4 years after, in the year 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeated a world champion in the game of Go, a feat once thought impossible for machines. Then in the year 2020s, that's 4 years after, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E are now creating text, images, and even music. Wonderful. Things we thought only humans could do. Then by then, as of 2020, AI has gone from a dream to reality. Now it is shaping industries from the healthcare sector and to the marketing, to finance, and to entertainment. The list goes on and on. Yeah, it goes on and on. Anyways, the interesting story is that AI came into existence. through the interventions of humans. Of course, AI came into existence through the intervention of humans. But it was human beings that dreamed about the idea, human being birthed the idea, human being invented AI, making AI a reality that is helping and blessing people up to today. So of course, without we human beings, AI cannot exist. So now the question is, where is AI going next? AI is advancing faster than ever. In the next few years, we're going to see AI assistants that think and interact like humans, AI working alongside humans to boost creativity and efficiency. And the list is endless, just like that. Also, one thing is certain, and I want you to know is that AI is there to stay. So another question to ask is, how are we using AI? Do you know AI story was this deep? How do you think AI will shape our future? And more, drop your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. Let us interact together. So now, moving on. I'm finding this story interesting. I'm finding this interesting. So moving on to the next subtopic, which is the definition of AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that is focused on creating machines or software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like number one, understanding language like chatbot or translation tools. Number two, recognizing images or faces like in photo tagging or security. Number three is making decisions like self-driving cars or recommendation systems. Number four, learning from data like how Netflix learns what shows you like. In other words, AI can simply do so many things. So artificial intelligence is simply the science of making machines think and learn like humans instead of just following fixed instructions. AI systems can analyze data, learn patterns, make decisions, and even improve over time. Think of it like teaching a computer to think, not just obeying. Now, the next question is, how does AI work? AI works by combining data, algorithms, and computing power. It mimics how we learn from experience. For example, if you show a computer 1,000 photos of cats, it will learn what the cat looks like. Of course, over time, it can spot a cat in any new photo. Even if it is wearing sunglasses, it will spot it. Then types of AI. Number one, we have narrow AI. This is what we have today. AI built for specific tasks like Siri, ChatGPT, or facial recognition for your phone or for any machine. You notice that you have facial recognition. Also, number two, general AI. This would think and reason like a human, still in development. Number three, super intelligent AI, smarter than humans in every day. Still theoretical but heavily debated. Where is AI used today? That's the next question. AI is everywhere. Even if you don't see it, you can see it in your phone, voice assistant, autocorrect, filters, and so on. Number two, you can see it in your business. Automation, data analysis, customer service, chatbot. Number three, AI healthcare, predicting disease, diagnosing conditions faster. It has been helping the health sector very, very well. Then number four, in finance, fraud detection, investment strategies. Then number five, in social media, algorithms that choose what you see every day. AI is behind it. Then the next question is, why does AI matter? AI is not just for tech experts. No, as you people will think that AI is for tech. It's not just for tech experts. It's for everyone. It is transforming jobs, businesses, education, content creation, and even relationships with people. If you understand AI, you can ride the wave instead of getting swept away. How can you use AI today? You can start using AI today with tools like ChatGPT for writing, ideas, and research. You can use Canva. We all know Canva is popular. You can use it for design. You can use Notion AI for productivity. You can even use it to even make description for video. And also you can use AI for audio editing. We have copy AI, copy.ai for marketing content. You want to market your advert, your content. The interesting part is that you do not need any tech degree at all. You don't need any certification. All what you need is just your curiosity, your action, your willingness to learn and improve. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging. We will see more automation, smarter personal assistants, AI powered creativity, and possibly even ethical questions like how to balance AI with human responsibility. But one thing is clear, AI is here to stay and it will shape the next generation. Now that you know what AI is and how it works, the question is, how will you use it? How will you use it? That's the question. How will you use AI? Remember, the future belongs to those who understand AI, to those who embrace AI. If Honestly, AI is like a supporting system. So start learning AI now, and you will thank yourself later. Don't just watch the wave, but rather write on it. If you want more videos about how to use AI for businesses, for creativity, or for personal growth, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel now if you have not, and drop a comment telling me what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.